We have the nominees here.
Aotearoa.
No! God!
Castaways!
Tukua.
Tuka.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Fua.
Fia.
Koutou katoa e hoa mā. Use arere mahi in active sentence, which follows.
Over here we say kia ora, he pehia ana koe.
Did you know the real name for karori is kaharore? Let me tell you why. Paeroa's real name is actually Te Paeroa o Koe Huataki.
Children break the calabash. Tuatu. There's no one better than, or there's nothing better than. Ki manuhiri, pāri tuatu yarata tika. It's to be expected.
Ko te toa mō tēnei wāhanga, ko Himi Kelly! Woo!
It's been 31 years since the Reo Māori was made an official language of our country. Let's not only imagine, but be a part of where we could be in the next 31 years. Kia ora.
Shout out Himi Kelly. Oh, how you been?
Well, we can't get him right now.
We can't get him right now?
No.
Well, I just feel... Oh, Himi, where are you? I want a yarn!
How are you, Ehua?
I'm good, yeah.
Yeah?
I'm
How
here
you
to be
enjoying the
loud.
atmosphere?
Yeah, it's always a vibe being here, my bro. I'm always I feel very privileged and honoured to be representing our Māori, you know.
love that.
And I'm also very humbled to be here. You know, there's only a few that are selected to be here, and you know, it makes me very emotional actually, because you know, learning more Māori kaupapa every day.
Absolutely.
And yeah, trying to get that mahi through. But yeah.